Hi guys, this is Rito and you're welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 polymer clay tools you already have at your home. The first will be an old bulb. It's a great tool to create baskets or salad plates. Rub the polymer clay over the bulb, cut the edges. After you bake it, you can easily remove it from the bulb. The second tool will be the salad knife. It's a great carving tool, but be careful not to use steak knife. Steak knife is much more sharp and it will cut your clay through. Next will be a toothbrush. I use it to make a texture. Another great texture tool is a shaving knife. Even the most cheap one you buy a kilo for $1, they all come with decorated handle we can use as a stamp. Just take a look at the shaving knives you already have at home. I'm sure you will be surprised of what you will find there. We have one more tool to go, but before we proceed, I would like to ask you. Please leave me a comment if you would be interested in more tutorials like this. And the last one for today will be a Coca-Cola lid. Just take a look what a great texture you can make with it. This is all for today. If you love what I do, please like and subscribe. See you in my next videos.